Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Civil Services and Aspiration. So today is 31st August 2020 and firstly let's see the history of the day. So today means on 31st August in 1920, today the news was broadcast for the first time from 8MK radio station in the city of Detroit, which today exists as WWJ radio station owned by CBS network. So it was the first time when the news was broadcast from any radio station. Now let's see the current affairs part. So the first question from the current affair is, in which state is the Onam festival mainly celebrated? ओणम त्योहार मुख्य रूप से किस राज्य में मनाया जाता है? Guys, if you know the answers, please do tell in the comment section. And let me tell you, the answer is in the Kerala state of India, and the Onam is a major harvest festival of Kerala which falls on the 22nd constellation Thiruvonam in Shuram of the Malayalam calendar. So according to the ancient legends, the Malayalam festival marks the annual visit of King Mahabali, the kingdom he once ruled. Now let's see the second question. So India has announced that it is withdrawing the multilateral military exercise called Kavakas from 2020 in which country? भारत ने घोषणा की है कि वह बहुपक्षीय सैन्य अभ्यास कवकास 2020 वापस ले रहा है, जो किस देश में होने वाली थी? So the answer is it is going to be held in Russia, and in the view of the epidemic and the resulting difficulties, including the system of the logistics, India has decided not to send a contingent to Kavakas 2020 this year. Now let's see the third question. So with which country did India recently sign implementation on humanitarian assistance and disaster relief? भारत ने हाल ही में किस देश के साथ मानवीय सहायता और आपदा राहत का कार्यान्वयन पर हस्ताक्षर किए हैं? And the answer is with Singapore. And let me tell you that the two sides discussed several issues. Two sides means Singapore and India. They have discussed several issues of bilateral defense relation between India and Singapore, and both sides are committed to further enhance the security partnership between these two countries. Now let's see the fourth question. So who became the first Indian sportsperson with disabilities to be awarded the Tenzing Norgay एडवेंचर अवार्ड? देश के पहले दिव्यांग खिलाड़ी कौन बने जिन्होंने तेंजिंग नॉर्गे एडवेंचर अवार्ड से सम्मानित किया गया है? एंड द आंसर इज सत्येंद्र सिंह लोहिया has received this award. He was a para swimmer from Madhya Pradesh and is the first Indian sports person to be awarded by this Tenzing Norgay Adventure Award. He is also the first Asian Divyang swimmer to cross the 42-kilometer Catalan Channel in the US in just 11 hours and 34 minutes. Now the last question is, in which district of Bihar the largest eco park of Bihar and Jharkhand has been constructed? बिहार के किस जिले में बिहार और झारखंड का सबसे बड़ा इको पार्क का निर्माण किया गया है? And the answer is in the Jamui district of Bihar, and this is the only such park in the country. Jahakalpa tree has been planted and 277 kalpa trees have been planted in this park, and it is known as the Eco Park of India. Now let me tell you the answers of yesterday questions which I have asked. So the first question was, who will be awarded with the National Teacher Award 2020 recently? So the answer is Sushri Sudha Penley. And the second question was, which state government has recently launched the NRI Unified Portal? So the answer is Uttar Pradesh state of India has released this. So thank you for watching our video, and if you like it, please do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't miss to hit the bell icon.